Today lesson is golden rules of accounting. Account type rules. Personal account are the accounts of persons, firms, concern and institution which the businessman deal. The personal accounts are kept in personal ledgers and of two types, namely the sales ledger and the purchase ledger. The principle is of personal account: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Another type of account is impersonal account. As the account in the name of a person is a personal account, but impersonal account, the accounts of the nominal ledger. We have different types of expenses for different purposes like rent, insurance, telephone, others. All these are expenses related not to the person to whom the money is paid and more concerned towards the reason for payment of these are known as impersonal accounts. Impersonal accounts, we talk about now real account. Deals with the material asset of a business such as its property. A real account is a general ledger account that does not close at the end of the accounting year. In other words, the balances in the real accounts are carried over to become the beginning balances of the next accounting period. Real accounts are also termed as permanent account. Rules of real account. Principle: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Then comes nominal account. Are related and associated to losses, expenses, income and gains. The nominal accounts is income statement account expenses, income, loss, profit. They are known as temporary account. Unlike balance sheet, which are permanent, asset, liability, owners, equity is a permanent, but income, expenses and loss and this are temporary account. Principle: debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. Now we have a summary over here. Ledger accounts, two type: personal account, impersonal account. Personal account rules are debit the receiver, credit the giver. But impersonal accounts again two types: real account and nominal account. In real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. Real account, asset and liability. Assets, debit side, credit side. Debit when increase in assets, credit when decrease in asset. Liability, debit increase in, credit increase in. income, debit decreases, credit increases, expenses, debit increases, credit decreases. Transactions are entered in the ledger in order of date, in a chronological order. Accounts layout. Account has two sides. The left hand side is known as debit side, DR. The right hand side is known as credit. So example, interest received is a income, so it should be credited. Commission account and interest accounts. Books of accounts generally classified in three: journal, ledger, subsidiary ledger. As we know, journal is a book of prime entry. When the transaction takes place, it is recorded in journal. So we have already discussed this thing. Control S, and that's all for the today. We will continue. Thank you.